doing here? What am I doing here? I get to go to Universal Studios too. Hold on. Huh. Wow, what a surprise. What's up, you guys? Nothing. I mean, I haven't been here in a while. I almost gave up on this channel, but apparently people like to watch it, so I'm back. I want to find out what's new with this place. I haven't been to Universal since, well, there was that one time, but I don't know. I haven't really had any inspiration to come since what's her face left me. Yeah. Anywho, yeah, this is exciting. First thing I noticed, way off in the horizon, look, all that construction being done by the Rip Ride rocket already. There's a gate, and there's walls, there's a lizard. I see a lizard. That's more important. Hold on, watch. Don't run, don't run, don't run. It's a green lizard. It's a green lizard. Don't run, buddy. I'll find you. Oh, it's right there. No, hey, mother. Oh, scared back up. Come on, where'd you go? It's down there. Get over here. Get over here. Yeah, dang it. It ran away. Whatever. What was I doing? Oh, yeah. Sorry. I got distracted by that green lizard. I'm at Universal. Isn't that weird? No, not really. First things first, I want to say what's up to my buddy Anthony over at Voodoo Donuts. You make me go nuts. Universal Studios. Universal Studios. Can Universal sue these hoes? That didn't make sense. Oh wait, that's what sorry. This is what I want to show you. This is new to me. Look at all these work walls. This is where all the ducks used to be. I want to see what they're working on. So, we're going to cut through here. Alright, so I'm near the Hard Rock Cafe. Let's see if that little spot is open and ready. I wonder if I can see any of the construction being done. Oh yeah, it's open. I can go back here. Sweet. I'm going back here, I shall. Let me raise the camera a little bit higher. Oh wow. Look at all this. I'm not sure if you can see it. I can barely see it. A whole entranceway to the old Nickelodeon Studios. Ooh, I got an idea. Can I take these stairs up? Ooh, I think I might. Heck yeah. I hope I don't. I shouldn't get in trouble. Alright, let's climb these stairs real quick. I mean, they're just clearing the lands, so I'm pretty sure we're not going to see anything. But let's see what we can see. That'd be cool. Ooh, okay. Here we are. Wowzers. Sorry for the sun glare. Wow. Look at all that they did. Huh. Wow. And then, look. That's crazy. Nickelodeon. What happened? What happened to you, Nickelodeon? This is a giant project. Alright, I'm back on the ground floor. I can still see the Berlin Wall. Cool. If you guys didn't know, that's an actual piece of the Berlin Wall. I'll give you 5 seconds to look. See? There's a plaque that says so. It's right here. Right behind the Hard Rock. And other than that, there's really nothing else to see. Alright, the park is now officially open. Let's go exploring. See what's new. See what's old. See something. Hey, this is kind of new. They turned that little ice cream shop and decked it out and Back to the Future stuff. What's this thing? That's cute. That's cute. Look, they got a DeLorean on here on the windows. They have like an 8-bit looking DeLorean. That's weird. Huh. The pizza. Sun glare. It's the 40th anniversary for Back to the Future, y'all. Some pretty sweet decals. Like Einstein. Well, it looks like some of those decals are already fading away. Well, I'm not really seeing too much new stuff right now. But then again, I also didn't go too far in the park. I checked out that one discount place. I didn't really find anything cute. I mean, there's some Ghostbusters stuff, like some pins and those crappy white shirts. I don't want them. I don't want them at all. I'm over by the Transformers, if you didn't already know. See? That big old building with the row bit on top. Hey, what's over here? Why they put work walls over that little park? What the hell's going on? Really? Oh, also the aroma of food is in the air. It smells great. Something smells good. But yeah, what the hell? Why is there work walls? That's odd. You can still see whatever statues up there. Wow, has it really been that long since I've been here? I guess so. Oh, yeah. And look, there's Rip Ride Rocket still. It's still around for literally one more month. Today's the 17th. July 17th. There's pretty much, what, 30 more days left. 30 more days left. I don't want to ride it, though. That ride gives me motion sickness. What the hell is that? This is new. Oh, from that Secret World of Pets movie. I don't remember seeing this. Huh. Weird. Hey, Jimmy Fallon's only 10 minutes. It's super hot outside. Well, let me ride that real quick, just to get out of this Florida heat. Alright, give me a sec. I'm going to go inside. I'll be right back. I like riding this ride only because it reminds me of my son. Alright, so I went to where the Ghostbusters firehouse is at. near stroller parking. This is a weird area. That's odd. Nothing really over here at all. And look, and just like in those videos I've seen online, there's the walls, or the work walls over here. Interesting. Here, I'll show you what I mean in a second. I want to flip that switch, but I shouldn't flip that switch. See, this is what I'm talking about, guys. Look, this is what this is supposed to be the Ghostbusters facade. Hopefully one of these days we'll see like the Ecto-1 or something come out of this thing. They haven't announced what it's going to be yet. People are really, really hoping it's going to be Ghostbusters. See? Restoration of the historic Engine 89 firehouse. We'll see. But then, look, they're also trying to give us mixed signals. Building better roads for a better future. What does this one mean? Animal and man this way? It's going to be a man-dog ride. Let's see if anything else is going over here. Oh, man-dog area. They mean the spot where they can poop. I get it now. They take a poop on the fake grass. We're in the back of the back lot. Huh. Anything going on over here? See, the New York Public Library from Ghostbusters. Pretty sweet. I can't go on any further than this. Okay. Huh. Well, they haven't torn down the roller coaster yet, since it has one more month left, so. Well, as I'm walking, the Mummy's only a 15-minute wait. Probably even less than single rider. I'm gonna ride the Mummy real quick, and then I'll continue looking around. So give me a minute. I'll be right back. That was quick. It was like walk on, get on the ride, and get off the ride. I think like 3 minutes passed. Cool. Oh yeah, then I see on the, that's right. The arcade is currently closed. Rumors have it they're gonna turn this into like a Five Nights at Freddy's kind of area. Oh yeah, they're celebrating Jaws' 50th anniversary. They kind of decked out the San Francisco area to make it seem like Amityville. Alright, so I'm near Diagon Alley now. Doesn't really look like there's too much going on. Let me pop inside and see what's going on real quick. Give me 1 sec. Huh. Wow, surprisingly it's not packed in here. Usually I'm like elbow to elbow with people. Alright, so I'm near the bathroom by the Wizarding World. They're still working on it. At least like the roof is almost ready. There's more work walls by the Simpsons. Oh yeah, didn't they say something about fixing this bridge?
The money just before the return.
They have a lot of work walls around here. Wait. Can we not go further? Oh. Oh. Okay. We go this way now. Well, there doesn't seem to be anything going on here. That old Fear Factor building. I'm gonna go ahead and ride Men in Black real quick. Get out of this heat for a second. It's way too hot for my fat body. Well, that was quick and easy. Oh. Look at this rare sight. Look how empty it is over here. This is crazy. Usually every time I go... Last time I was here, this place was like crowded with people. 10-minute wait. I suppose. Alright. Well, I just got off the Simpsons ride. That only took minutes. There's Doc Brown.
I love your hat and your shirt.
Thank you, Doc Brown.
Okay.
Well, that's going to do it for today. Thanks everybody for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you again next time. Bye.